And tell me, don't come with another story for all of you guys. Laycon, who is Big Brother Naija winner season 5, visited Ogun State today and was appointed as a new youth ambassador and was gifted a lot of gifts and cash prizes. He gave a very wonderful speech that took Nigeria ablaze.
I'm very, very happy to be here. I thank God, I thank everybody, I thank the people of Nigeria, and I'm very happy, and I will make sure that this opportunity that has been given to me, this platform and this privilege that has been given to me by the people of Nigeria, the people of the state, I will try and make sure that I use it to the best of my ability to impact the society positively and enrich people's lives and keep spreading love and thank you all very much.
He was gifted 3-bedroom flats and 5 million naira in cash. Any other news on this issue will be posted on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. See you when I see ya.